Today, I'm going to show you how to install a voltage gauge. Stay tuned. Alright, so today we are going to be installing a voltage gauge right here on the passenger A-pillar. Are you saying, why the passenger A-pillar? Because if you put it right here, you have a clear line of sight from the driver's seat. So, how I'm going to remove this is, I don't know if you guys have these grab handles, but a lot of you guys do. I know you guys do. So these are grab handles. Just take this out with my Allen key. And then after that, you want to get your T20 Torx bit driver, and then take out your sun visor. And after we do that, we're going to line up and mark off where we're going to put that voltage gauge and the switch for it. And then we're going to work on wiring, which is going to be super fun. And then we're going to slap it all back together. Now, why would you want a voltage gauge? Well, Jeep doesn't come with Wranglers. So why would you want a voltage gauge? Well, it's simple. If you ever had a dead battery and you drive a Jeep Wrangler, you never know it's dead until it won't crank over. So it's just good, one of those good gauges to have, along with like water temperature, tachometer, speedometer. Just one of those essentials. Comes with a ZJ, but it won't come with a JK. What the hell is that? So today it's a super simple install. It's a single light application. You just got to do the difficult part of finding some ignition power. So let's explain how to do that. Alright, so you want to make sure that it is only on constant, it's not constant power, and it's actually ignition power. So you have the Jeep off, pull the key out, it's giving us no reading at all, so 0. Then we want to turn the Jeep on to ignition, and now we have 12 volts. So that's good. If you have constant power, then the voltage gauge will always be running off the battery power, which is not necessarily awesome. So I'm going to splice into here, solder a wire out here with a pigtail connector, and then I'll wire it to the voltage gauge. Since my tripod is broken and there's really no good angle for you guys to see all this splicing and stuff, I'll show you guys after I do it.
I understand that you want a clear line of sight, but also, why wouldn't you just put it on the normal pillar like normal people who put gauges on the driver's side?
You can't put it on. It can only fit on this side.
Oh, okay, my bad. How come you guys wear white socks?
Because I like white socks.
First of all, one of the girls at school wanted to know why you named your dog Tim, and I was like, listen.
Tim Duncan, you idiot.
I understand.
You tell him, Tim Duncan, you idiot. That's what you say.
And they're like, who's that?
Who do you know that knows what LeBron James is, but doesn't know what a basketball is?
No, so these people don't know basketball. They don't know who Tim Duncan is.
Everyone
knows what basketball.
Everybody knows who Tim Duncan is. You don't think so? Dude, can you give me your Phillips screwdriver? It's like really, it's like the smallest one.
Screwdriver?
I bought it for you, SA. Add it. Phillips head, that is a flathead. So anyways, so these push pins are from absolute hell. Another classic gift from Chrysler. Thanks. You just want to screw the middle, pop that Johnny out, and then the rest of this is just push pinned in. Take that out, set it to the side, and then this just pops out. But I'm gonna set it back in for now, and then I'm gonna measure up where I want to put that voltage gauge. Have you ever seen Arrival? Have you ever seen Arrival? Just don't watch Arrival, bro. It's not good.
Arrival.
Arrival, like I arrived. Arrival departure.
Oh, Arrival. I think you said a rival. Yes, I have seen that movie.
I fucking hate John.
Pretty good.
Alright, so I'm going to put one here. And then eventually when I go to dual battery setup, I'm going to have one on the bottom. It's going to be dope. Alright, so that's where I'm going to need to cut my hole pretty much right there. So now we can take this off, head to the bench, and cut ourselves a hole. Done. First try. Alright, so I'm going to test it out. I have my wiring done. It is right here. I splice it into this wire here. It's the third wire down on the, I guess, the left side. It's a pink and a yellow wire. Routed that down, added a pigtail style connector to it. Ran it under the glove box, through here, under the glove box, above the speaker, and then up the A-pillar to over there. So now let me test it out with the key. Just gonna see if you guys can see that. Alright, so ignition power, it is on, and then when I turn it off, it's off. And also I added a switch there, so if I ever not want to watch my voltage, then I can just turn it off. Alright, it's just a little crooked, but honestly, it still looks pretty good in my eyes. If you guys are super anal and OCD, it'll bother the hell out of you, but it's really not a big deal to me. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down kind of under the screen, under here somewhere. It lets me know that you like the videos. It's pretty awesome, and it also boosts my channel to other people like you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I make some sick Jeep videos, and I'm wiring up my comm setup next week, so check that out. And then, questions, comments, or concerns. I answer almost every single comment, unless it's toxic, then I might delete it. If not, I'll do a troll reply. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Peace. Also, get your merch. Get your merch online. Get your merch.